Yes. Just pop your window up, you can help Ita.
Thank you.
I wanna get out of here. I feel poo and wee. I don't know.
And up one nostril. Yep, so get you to pull your mask.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work?
Hi guys! Good morning sa inyong lahat. Pasensya na sa boses ko guys. It's now 7 in the morning, pero maaga akong nagising today. Mga alas 3 nagising na ako kasi hindi ako makatulog. Kasi ang ng ilong ko guys, so 2 days na ako sinisipon. Tsaka ngayon, inuubo ako. Ngayon, nagpabook ako ng swab test. So, magpapa-swab test tayo just to have peace of mind. Kasi, alam niyo na ang nangyayari sa mundo. So, magpa-swab test tayo, guys. Char. First time magpa-swab test at takot ako talaga, guys. Sana, negative tayo, diba? Supposed to be work ako ngayon sa office, but unfortunately, hindi na kaya sa lawas guys kasi medyo nang lalamig ako and kailangan talaga na magpahinga kasi, alam nyo na, we have 2 jobs. So, kailangan natin look after natin ating sarili din minsan and ito na ang nangyari. So, ngayon, magpa-swab test tayo. Yung booking ko is 10:30. So, magbihis lang ako, mag-organize lang ako, and samahan nyo ako sa aking swab test ngayon. And magpe-breakfast lang tayo sa taas, naka-ready na tayo. Yan, ito lang yung suot ko, dress ito guys, na long shirt, yan, tinatawag. Mag-breakfast lang tayo sa taas kasi meron akong nabili doon kahapon kasi nagpunta kasi ako kahapon ng Asian shop. Bumili ako ng pandesal and meron din akong ubi pandesal. Napakasarap niya and hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kahapon kasi kasama ko yung mga girls kahapon. So, nag-lunch lang kami doon sa isang Filipino restaurant dito sa Cairns. Ayun siya guys. So anyway, mag-breakfast lang tayo kahit hindi ko masyado na-feel yung food. Kasi medyo nawala yung taste ko. But hindi naman talaga totally na pero yung mga sa COVID na mga symptoms ba, meron tayo. But the rest, wala naman. Pero some of it, meron tayo. So, yun guys, in-advisean nila ako ng family ko na kailangan muna talagang magpa-swab test as soon as possible. Kasi, wag nating anuhin yung attitude na hindi, lang to, flu lang to, lagnat lang to, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi, yun nga yung attitude natin, diba, kakayanin. Hanggat kakayanin natin, hindi tayo pupunta ng doktor. Doon lang tayo pupunta ng doktor pag hindi na talaga makaya. So, ganyan din ako minsan. So, aminin nyo, ganyan din kayo. But hindi talaga tama na ganyan yung attitude natin. So, kailangan na tayo magpa-swab test. Haharapin na natin si swab test mamaya. You're my ganon. And, yes, mag-breakfast muna tayo bago natin siya haharapin. Ayan. Ubi. Pandesal. Pandesal kaya kinain niya. Is that good?
Good.
2 hours later.
This is it! We're going na guys. We're gonna meet the swab test. See how cute. mandatory na din dito sa Cairns na mag-mask kami. Then sa Brisbane guys is lockdown. Lockdown sila for 3 days. Does that hurt?
Very much.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh. Sabi ni Mr. very much daw. Tatakutin pa ako.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and fell love. Then nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer, now I'm waiting for you. But don't hurry, oh slowly, oh yeah. The moonlight's around us.
We're here. Yan yung office namin dati. Diyan. But now, lumipat na kami ng ibang office. So yes, we're here na. Ang taas lang ng pila. Pwede ka pumunta mismo sa hospital. Pwede din drive-thru. So nag-drive-thru lang kami kasi para hindi ka na magpila-pila pa din doon. Baka mahaba din. So dito, it's just easy. Hindi ka na kailangan bumaba pa ng sasakyan mo. Dito ka na lang. This is it. I'm scared. Please be gentle. Ako na ang susunod.
Yeah, so 10:30 definitely lands you. Alright, just copy that window back up for a minute. Just take a photo of your mum and dad. Put the window up again, I think. Thank you.
Thanks, my love. You are now the videographer. I feel cool and weak. I don't know. Nandito na siya, guys.
Jacqueline, have you had a test on before? No worries. I'll give you a tissue because it will probably make your eyes water. It might make you feel like you need to sneeze or cough or blow your nose. Medical certificate there because you will need to isolate until you get the results back. Okay, so results will take 24 to 48 hours. If it's negative, you'll get a text message. If it's positive, someone will give you a phone call. So information there on isolation. Okay, so we just do the back of the throat and up one nostril. Yep, so I'll get you to pull your mask down. Open your mouth and say ah for me. And up one nose, sorry, it's a bit gaggy. Okay, that's all done for you.
Thank you.
Alrighty, pop the window up and when you're ready, the security will let you through.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, nakatulog ako guys. Nakalimutan ko kayo ng very slight. Ayan, ginising lang ako ni Habi kasi nilituan niya ako ng noodles. So, punta tayo sa taas. It's now 1 o'clock. So, 1 na tayo nagla-lunch kasi nakatulog ako pagkatapos ng swab test. And then, I'm gonna share to you guys kung ano yung experience ko sa aking swab test, char. So, yun. Punta tayo sa taas and mag-lunch lang tayo. Hi, guys!
Hi, I'm watching Pony.
Yes, Alex is watching Pony. Ayan, kakatapos ko lang maligo. Medyo okay na yung pakiramdam ko. Pero dito lang, medyo yung nose ko, medyo mainit siya dito. So, yun guys, update pala sa yung sa swab test ko guys. Yung sa swab test ko guys, hindi naman siya masakit guys, gaya ng sabi ng iba. I don't know ha, but for me lang naman, na na-experience ko siya. Medyo ano lang siya dito, yung pagpasok na sa, anong tawag doon, sa may ano na ipapasok sa ilong mo is, ano lang siya, parang, medyo makiliti. Makiliti ng konti, and then yung sa mo din sa lungs mo din nagaganon. So hindi naman siya masakit. So far so good naman. I don't know lang, basta for me lang yung para sa akin. So, hindi naman siya masakit guys. So yun lang naman yung ano ko, and super dali lang din niya, and mataas lang nga lang yung queue kasi maraming nagpapaswab test. And bawal kang lumabas until ma-receive mo yung result mo. Bawal kang lumabas hanggat hindi mo pa nakukuha yung result mo. So yun lang, kasi alam nyo na, maka-fine ka dito. Yung result ko is 24 to 48 hours. So, I think tomorrow ko pa ma-receive yung result ko kasi 24 to 48 hours siya.
My head is on, Mommy.
Yes. So, yun guys. Yun lang yung update ko for today. And si Habi nag-order lang ng food kasi hindi nga ako makapagluto, and then medyo pagod din siya sa kanyang work, so which is understandable naman. So okay lang. So yun, nag-order si Habi ng soup kasi gusto ko mag-soup, and then si Alex din mag-noodles din siya. Hati lang kami. So, yun guys, dito ko na lang tatapusin ang aking vlog guys. And sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating vlog for today. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be a dreamer. Bye! Be safe everyone. Mwah.